Success can mean different things to different people, but generally, it refers to achieving one's goals, reaching a desired outcome, and experiencing fulfillment in various aspects of life. Here are 20 ways to help you work towards success. One, set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve and break it down into actionable steps. 2. Develop a growth mindset. Embrace challenges, learn from failures, and see setbacks as opportunities to improve. 3. Create a plan. Outline a roadmap to achieve your goals, including deadlines and milestones. 4. Take initiative. Be proactive and take responsibility for your actions and decisions. 5. Stay focused, avoid distractions and prioritize tasks that align with your goals. 6. Work hard, put in the effort and dedication required to achieve your objectives. 7. Continuously learn, keep educating yourself and stay updated on relevant information and skills. 8. Build a supportive network, surround yourself with positive, like-minded individuals who encourage and inspire you. 9. Embrace change, be open to new ideas and adapt to evolving circumstances. 10. Practice resilience, bounce back from failures and setbacks with determination and a positive attitude. 11. Manage time effectively, prioritize tasks and avoid procrastination. 12. Cultivate self-discipline, stay committed to your goals and maintain consistency in your efforts. 13. Take calculated risks, assess potential benefits and drawbacks before making decisions. 14. Communicate effectively, develop strong interpersonal skills to build positive relationships and collaborations. 15. Be innovative, find creative solutions to problems and constantly seek improvement. 16. Stay healthy, take care of your physical and mental well-being, as they play a crucial role in achieving success. 17. Practice gratitude, appreciate your progress and the people who support you along the way. 18. Overcome self-doubt, believe in your abilities and don't let fear hold you back. 19. Maintain a positive attitude, approach challenges with optimism and a can-do mindset. 20. Celebrate achievements, acknowledge your successes, no matter how small, and use them as motivation to keep going. Remember, success is a journey, and it may look different for each person. Be patient with yourself and stay committed to your goals. Your definition of success is what matters most, so make sure it aligns with your values and aspirations.